Tappy's looking so much happier. Since I released his talon last week, he's tapping his feet again, and even calling out for his mate to join him. But she's not responding. He sets off to try and find her, but she's nowhere to be seen. Sparkle comes back while he's out, but she sustained an eye injury. This pair are so unlucky. He's back. They reunite at the nest entrance. Three days later, her eye's definitely looking better. Let's hope it continues to show signs of improvement.